Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl LaShaWright, and I'm back with another video. And guys, I want to say I love you all, and I'm glad for you guys watching my channel. For all those who stuck with me since the beginning of my journey, I really appreciate that. Most of you guys don't fully know my story, but I will post a video on here fully of who LaShaWright is, what my business is, what inspires me to do the things that I do, and all those amazing things that people look forward to knowing. So I will post a video about all those extraordinary things. But right now, what I've been working on is looking for someone to help me market my books so that I can reach my goals for this year. My biggest goal is to reach bestseller, but not only that, I want more people to not only read, but leave comments and actual reviews on my books. So I want more people to be involved. I want to know more. It can be, you can give me good criticism, you give me bad criticism. It doesn't really matter. I want people's honest opinion of my books. I want people who are genuinely reading my books to support, to buy, and I'm looking to find me a book marketer. I'm scheduled for somebody soon to talk to them over the phone and see how that goes. I did schedule for someone else, but they say they don't promote poetry, or they never did campaigns for poetry books. I'm not really sure if that sounds like an excuse to me, but I'm pretty open-minded individual into knowing that if someone is, I guess you can stick with your expertise and what you actually have done, but if a business company is good at what they do and what a person has in their books isn't like making their company look bad or anything like that, they should look at it as more as an opportunity. But I can't make others be open-minded to doing business with me. I want people who love my brand and what I have to offer as much as I love working with them. I don't want people to feel like they're entitled to work with me. I'm not entitled to get anything. I believe that I should work and invest in myself. I should earn the things that I want. But like I said, I am looking for someone to help me market my books so they can get them on bestseller. Not just one of them, but all three of them. I tell myself I'm not going to write any more books until I really get myself out there. So that's my biggest goal for this year. Also, my YouTube channel, I want it to grow. I want to hit 100K subscribers. I want to be able to invest more. I want my health and wellness products to start selling more. They're vegan friendly, 100% vegan friendly. And so many people have benefited off these vegan friendly products. So many people feel energetic off of some of these pills. They help you get your energy back. They help you get your sleep back. They help you they help you with so much. It's so many different things. They also offer you different things for like children. Just so many things that these health and wellness products provide. They have, drinks. It's not just the pills, but mainly that's like the main, how you got your main product, and then you got your other products like your shakes and your powders and other stuff. So it's not just pills, but we do expand to other things. So that is amazing. Also, I'm going to get back to art and painting and selling canvases and things like that. I'm looking into buying more stocks. I want to buy some more e-commerce stores. So I'm looking to buy some more e-commerce stores, maybe a Spotify store. Also looking to sell on Spotify. Just looking to expand myself in all regions. Looking to get better at network marketing when I can get myself in a position where I can really focus on building. But the biggest thing about network marketing, if it's a company that has products already, if you're not yet in a place where you can build, just sell the products. Sell the products. That's what you can do in the process of learning skills and getting in a place where you're like fully can build a team, because it's not until you fully know what kind of team you want, or really sit down and take the time to write the things down, and the kind of people you want to work with, and the kind of person that you see yourself building a business with, is not until then can you even move forward with the idea of building a team. Like, I want to be around solution driven individuals and people who have an open mind to to be open to different things, but also have the ability to work on things together. Also willing to be at the forefront to assist each other, and not be, not just rely on each other in the sense of being a burden. Because some people will rely on you for everything, burden you out. Now, I want people who shoulder the burden with me, not become my burden. They say birds of a feather flock together, but honestly, you do drag along stragglers. So in this 2021, it's only a few days in, a lot has been happening at the Capitol, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of negative. Let's stick to what's the point. Set boundaries. Limit your tolerance, because we tolerate things that we shouldn't. And at the end of the day, the more you tolerate, the more you allow people to disrespect you. And if you let people cut into your boundaries, then do you even have any? At the end of the day, it's all about self-respect, self-love. Now, I'm not saying that because you lack some of it, that you don't love yourself. I'm saying that sometimes you got to be selfish and put yourself first, and know that at the end of the day, you die by yourself. All you have is you. You got to value yourself, okay? So, especially in business, like, you learn with entrepreneurs or just business people who don't take you seriously and don't take your prices seriously. Don't do business with people who just want free samples or a free ride, or want you to drop their price, because your value and your quality it cannot be questionable. It cannot be questioned. Stick to what you know. If you know what you believe, then you believe in what you want. That you know, that you know, that you know, that you know, right? That you know, that you know, that you know that what you offer is valuable, and that your prices are just totally worth it. Then never allow anybody to drag you down, put you in a place of second guessing your prices, even lowering your standards, because that's lowering your standards. Going down on a price because somebody is not feeling the need to invest in whatever it is that you offer. People spend money on crap all the time. All the time. All throughout this pandemic, though, no one really has much money. Everyone's getting by, paycheck to paycheck. Entrepreneurs are trying to find solutions, flip this, flip that, trying to find money, trying to invest this. At the end of the day, no matter what your situation is, whether you're an entrepreneur or somebody who works a job, it all looks the same. We all spend money on stuff that is not worth the time, nor does it have the value of substance that we need. And at the end of the day, if you can invest money in things that don't have substance and don't have value, then you can invest time and money and effort in things that can grow you financial wealth, and things that can grow, expand and give your future abundance, and things that make you prosper. You know what I'm saying? So the biggest thing about this year for me is just increasing everything in my life, living in the fullness of the fruits of life, right? Networking, connecting, building like sincere bonds, like bonds that are cherished forever. You know what I'm saying? So just building those connections, and a community that is supportive, that loves what I offer, that really supports me, that shows up 100%, like me, because I show up 100% for myself. So I want people who show up 100% for me. And I'm not saying people won't have a life, but what I'm saying is I want people who has the same 100 as I have. People who came whole as they are, not half, not 50, but 100. If you're gonna do anything this life, you gotta be 100% in it, 100% committed. It's not yes, no, it's yes, I am, I will do it, I do believe in myself, I can overcome this. It's believing. It's till the end It's figuring out a solution that ultimately get us where we want to be, and it's always believing in ourselves. So I love you guys, and I hope this video inspires you. Please check out my books. Infinite Wisdom is my first book. In my first book, I have letters to teachers, students, moms, dads, kids, everybody, black women, black men, women, men, just every single body. I have just amazing letters, and bullies, victim of bullies, just every single body. I didn't want to leave anybody out for my first book. I was 22 when I first wrote it, and I was just in a place where I just like wanted to touch people. So now I'm really pushing hard to get my books out there. So I'm really looking. I'm growing, and it's been some years. It's been 4 years. I've been an author 4 years. So it's really time to get those books out there and really push myself beyond the unknown. So I'm just happy to be able to do the things that I'm doing. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a prosperous night.